So after years of trying to figure this out, get this BR to work on my 1J swap, JZZ30 swap, my Soarer, finally figured out the wiring. If you look online, all the wiring diagrams or whatever, they're all wrong, so I had to figure this one out for myself. Here we go. So right now I'm on gain 1, Rev 2 is at level 0, Rev 1's at setting A, which is 7500, and should be at 2500. Here goes setting 1, 2, and just keep going up all day, but it works. Yeah. So where the wiring issue is that you have to take the yellow wire from the BR, don't mind that mess, the yellow wire from the BR and send it to an ignition signal, which all the wiring diagrams say is supposed to be, I believe it's IGF? I think it's IGF, whatever. Whatever that one is in the directions, it's wrong. But you're supposed to take, what I had to do is I had to take this wire. This is all temporary. You gotta come over here onto your 4-pin igniter on your, or igniter plug on your igniter, and splice it in, or splice it in just into the black one. And that should give you your ignition signal. So there we go.